been a busy week again so far, and not without a fair amount of pain. Just now I'm rendering the stream from last weekend of the server tour. I already rendered, over the last 2 days, 3 episodes of Life in the Woods that I managed to record, and scheduled out those, and I'm working on a patron update, which has been eluding me for a while, but I finally have like some real inspiration and some really good ideas, I think, basically to do a complete revamp. So I've been basically working on this revamp idea for the last like week or 2 weeks, but it's one of those things you really want to get right, you know. So I've been working on the computer all morning, and now my wrists and hands are killing me. So we put some arnica on my arms and my wrists and all that, and I'm sitting in bed, and I've got my journal so I can work, I've got my phone so I can work. I have this notepad which has like probably 10 pages or something completely filled with ideas and charts and goals and rewards and stuff. So I'm going to work on that some more, and work on this some more. And I've got Scream-A-Day. I'm a day behind on Scream-A-Day because I basically have to watch it the morning after. But I've got Co's Scream-A-Day, watching my computer render from here. And I've got a pillow that I'm going to be resting my arm on so that I don't strain it. Just kind of put it in a good position. Got stuff to work on, stuff to watch, and snacks. So, should be good. Haven't really got the work done that I wanted to, so taking a break from Co and laying down with some headphones and some frequencies 741 hertz anti-headache music stuff, and some tablets. But yeah, time to try and take a break and get rid of my headache. So lately I've been wearing a lot of lipstick as like a coping mechanism slash just something that makes me happy. But I've been having a hard time because I've been getting more lipstick, and the more lipstick I get, the harder it is to choose a color. So we started randomizing what color I wear and actually mixing 2 together. Today I'm wearing a mixture of these 2 colors. One is Feeling Amorous and one is Dubonnet. I think that's how you pronounce it, but instead of 1, I'm wearing 2. And so far it's actually worked out really well, surprisingly. Also, I don't think I mentioned this last time. This was during the non-vlog week. I used to have a white clamp, but within 3 days it broke in 3 ways. What is the first way it broke? Oh, first it broke like at this area, and then it broke at like this area, because in the white one there's 2, like this isn't the same, but in the white one it goes from a thicker wire to a thinner wire, and the thinner wire snapped. So thick wire snapped, thin wire snapped, and then actually this ball joint part snapped. So we got this new one, and so far so good. It's a lot better. I'm also being extra careful, because before I was already being careful and trying not to, you know, bend it repeatedly in the same ways. But got this new one. So far so good. And this one, same thing. It fits my phone or my tablet, and I can clamp on whatever else. So it's working out really well, and Tim actually managed to fix all 3 breaks on the previous white one, and now we have it downstairs at the dinner table, and we used it to watch a video about gardening with dinner last night, so everything is fine.